Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out if we can really make it to Mars and set up a colony by 2050. The idea of colonizing Mars seems like the stuff of science fiction, but recently, we've made some incredible advancements that are bringing us closer to making it a reality. Not only would a human settlement on Mars ensure the survival of our species, but it would also open up new opportunities for resource extraction, scientific research, and even terraforming. The importance of this goal can't be overstated, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities. One of the biggest challenges facing Mars colonization is the technological hurdle. We need to develop reliable and efficient transportation systems, sustainable living habitats, and advanced life support systems. On top of that, we need to figure out how to shield ourselves from harmful radiation, extreme temperatures, and the psychological effects of long-term space travel. The list goes on, and it's a daunting task, to say the least. Another significant obstacle is the financial burden. Establishing a human settlement on Mars would require a massive investment of resources, and it's unclear who would foot the bill. Governments, private companies, or a combination of both? The financial logistics are still a mystery. Furthermore, there are environmental obstacles to consider. Mars' harsh climate, lack of magnetosphere, and toxic soil make it a hostile environment for human habitation. We'd need to develop innovative solutions to terraform the planet, create a breathable atmosphere, and find ways to harness resources like water and energy. And let's not forget the complexity of Mars geology. We still have so much to learn about the planet's structure, composition, and potential natural hazards. Lastly, there's the issue of distance and communication. Mars is about 140 million miles away from Earth, which means that real-time communication would be impossible. We'd need to develop strategies for autonomous decision-making and delayed communication, which would require significant advancements in AI and robotics. Despite these challenges, we're making progress. NASA's Mars 2020 mission has been a huge success, and private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Mars One are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. SpaceX's Starship program, for example, aims to develop a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying both people and cargo to the Red Planet. Meanwhile, NASA is planning to send the first woman and the next man to the lunar surface by 2024, with the ultimate goal of using the Moon as a stepping stone for Mars. Ongoing research is also focused on sustainable living on Mars, from developing closed-loop life support systems to creating habitats that can simulate a stable and healthy environment. One breakthrough that could change the course of Mars colonization efforts is the development of in situ resource utilization, or ISRU. This technology would allow us to extract water, air, and other essential resources from the Martian environment, reducing our reliance on resupply missions from Earth. Imagine being able to harvest Martian water to create oxygen, fuel, and other essential resources. It would be a game changer. Another exciting development is the progress being made in nuclear power and advanced propulsion systems, which could significantly reduce travel time and increase the efficiency of our spacecraft. In the near future, we can expect to see significant advancements in these areas, and it's possible that we might even see a successful test flight of a Mars-bound spacecraft within the next decade. However, we need to temper our optimism with realism. There are still so many unknowns, and the challenges ahead are formidable. That being said, the progress we're making is undeniable, and it's exciting to think about what the future might hold. In summary, while colonizing Mars by 2050 might be an ambitious goal, it's clear that we're making progress. From technological advancements to private investment and ongoing research, the pieces are falling into place. Let's stay optimistic, but also realistic about the challenges ahead. So, what do you think about the prospect of colonizing Mars? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in more space exploration content, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 most fascinating exoplanets.